Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2910. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges and also show you how to load paper, A4 and photo paper. So take the power cable, go to the back of the printer, connect the power cable to the power cable port. Plug it onto the socket. Then switch the printer on and off on this button. So from the LCD screen, you will see two lines for the ink cartridges. The left side one is triple color. The right side one is the black. Install the ink cartridges first. Then load the paper. So open the cover. Once you open the cover, then you wait for the ink cartridges holder to position itself. So it's currently on the center. Now we want to install the ink cartridges. So this is triple color. The colored one goes to the left, the black goes to the right. So take the black ink, go in to the holder, pull it up. If you want to remove the ink, put one of your finger on top of each cartridges and pull it down. So this is how to remove it. This is black, go in, pull it up. The colored one, go in on the left, pull it up. Then close the cover. Then you go on the screen, you will see that the gauge are now full up. So this is how to install the ink cartridges or replace the ink. I'm going to show you how to load paper. So this printer uses A4 paper and various other sizes. So I'm going to show you for A4 paper. So you take decent amount of paper. This is A4. Open the cover, then adjust blue guide. Then you go in. So this is A4 paper. And now it's printing out. So it's printing out the alignment page. Take this paper, position it on the printer. Make sure the document starts from your right. Close the cover. Then press the copy button. Then the next thing to do, once it's done, you discard this paper. Now another thing I want to show you is how to load photo paper. If you take off A4 paper, then this is 4x6 photo paper. To load photo paper, you need to make sure the smooth part need to face up. The rough part need to be at the back. This is 4x6 photo paper. This is how to load the papers, A4 and 4x6 photo paper, and also install the ink cartridges. Thank you.